How to share Nintendo games with family. To share Nintendo games with your family, first of all, you have to re-register your own Switch. Turn on your personal Nintendo Switch console, then open the Nintendo eShop and click your user avatar in the top right corner. Scroll down to the right panel all the way to the bottom to find the primary console section. You simply have to now click the re-register and enter your password to confirm it. Then proceed to link your account to the family console. Turn on your family member's Nintendo Switch console, go to the settings and head to users and add user. Create a new user option, choose an avatar name, then select link a Nintendo account. Type in your personal email and password, then click the Nintendo eShop using your fresh profile slot because no other device is active on your cloud profile. This console will automatically claim your primary account slot. From there, you have to configure your own system as secondary. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.